Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I am going to share with Mehndi Motifs Feet in Bloom. Mehndi is also known as henna is a form of body art originating in ancient India where it has been used for centuries during various festivities and celebrations. The tradition of applying mehndi on feet, especially for girls and women, is deeply rooted in culture and aesthetic values, symbolizing joy, beauty, and spiritual awakening. Foot mehndi designs for girls range from simple and elegant to intricate and elaborate. The choice of designs often reflect personal style, the occasions, and the level of detail desired. Here are some popular styles. These are elaborate and cover the feet extensively, often extending up the ankles or calves. They feature motifs like peacock, elephant, and lotus flowers, symbolizing fertility, purity, and grace. Known for their flowering vine-like patterns, Arabic mehndi designs are less dense and have more open space than traditional Indian designs. They often include leaves, vines, and flowers are the favorite of their elegant and modern look. Modern designs might incorporate geometric shape lines and even non-traditional elements like glitter and stones for a contemporary twist. These designs are perfect for girls who want a unique and trendy touch. For those who prefer subtlety, minimalist designs with simple lines, dots, and small floral patterns offer a delicate and understated beauty. These designs are quick to apply and suit casual occasions. Mandalas are a special symbol representing the universe. In Mehndi, they bring a sense of harmony and focus, often serving as a centerpiece of the design surrounded by intricate patterns. Selecting the right foot for Mehndi designs involves considering the occasion, outfit, or personal preference. For wedding and festival, traditional and elaborate designs are popular. For casual events, simple and minimalist patterns may be more appropriate. The application of mehndi is a skillful art that requires precision and patience. After application, the mehndi paste need to dry and be left on the skin for several hours to achieve a deep color. To ensure the best results, avoid contact with water exfoliants after removal of paste. The trends in foot mehndi designs evolve with time, influenced by cultural exchanges in artistic innovation. Social media platforms like Instagram and Pinterest are great sources for finding the latest and most popular designs. Foot mehndi designs for girls are a beautiful expression of tradition and personal style, whether one opts for a classic, intricate patterns or a sleek, modern designs. Mehndi adds a special touch to any celebration, making it a crafted art from across generations. I hope you enjoy this amazing video, and if really enjoyed, please like, comment and share it with your friends.